Okay, so this is a mystery box that I purchased from Planet Makeup by Yolondo a long time ago. So hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Y'all, I have makeup galore. I have makeup that I probably need to throw away that expired. Like for example, look at this. This is a lip scrub. Okay, and you don't need no type of gentle exfoliant conditioning lip scrub, and it's strawberry, and I'm not gonna be able to open none of this so that y'all look, my phone just tried to focus. I'm not gonna be able to open this with one hand, but I guess if you use the cameras on the opposite side of the phone, then it focuses. See, look at that strawberry lip scrub. And then we have, this is all Pemby Planet Makeup by Yolondo. You have a brush called, it's G111, and you can tell this is like a face. This is a makeup brush. You can actually do your highlights with this or foundation, but it's so soft and fluffy. See how, yeah, this, I would use this for a highlighter. And then these are some lashes I'm probably going to give my daughter because these are too much for me. These are too much for me. I don't wear lashes like this. And you just pull it out like this. And there's another brand called Wink for Me. They have a similar box that you just pull out, but it's like a drawer. And you pull it, has actually have a knob on it, like a doorknob. It is so cute. I've unboxed that product before too on my channel. And I didn't give you all any get ready with me today because I didn't go to work today. Wasn't feeling well. And this is the first time I've called out in a while. I usually don't call out. So this is a lip gloss and it's in shade Chocolate. I'm loving the way it's and I just swatched that on my lips. And this is called, let's see if it's gonna, it looks like it's called Safe. It's called Safe. Look at it. It is so pretty. And these are glosses. I wish it would just go ahead and focus like it was doing it. There it is. Safe. And then this one is called it's called Leo. Are you gonna focus? Yeah, because it's the camera over here. This is called Leo. Y'all saw that. Okay. Leo. And this one is called I'm doing laundry if y'all hear noise. That's the dryer. Oh look. Y'all see that? It's gummy because it's like bubble gum. And this is a setting spray by Yolondo. Okay, so we just gonna put these back over here. Look at there. And then we have down here, we have what is this one called? Shy. Okay, it's focusing. And then right here we have this red. This has got to be a liquid lipstick. It got to be. And this one is called Fire. Y'all see that? Fire. Go on, come through, camera. I need a viewfinder. And this one is called Gloss. Now, she had a gloss that I used to love. I used to swear by, okay, because it was clear. This one is kind of clear, but got little sparklies in it. But I'll still wear it. So let's take these out. I don't know why I put it back, but here's your Jam Rock Universal palette by Planet Makeup by Yolondo. Okay, and then I'm not gonna open it right now because I only have one hand. And y'all, this is the this eyeshadow palette right here. It's called Glitter. And if you've been watching my channel, Glitter Obsession #2, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, I don't like glitters. Chromes, dual chromes, and stuff like that. Yeah. So I managed to get this one out of the box. So I ain't gonna try it too much, y'all. But yeah, look, nothing but glitters. Nothing but glitter. Glitter. These look like you got some glitters that are bigger than the other ones. These don't really look like dual chromes or anything. I'm sorry about the light. Maybe that'll help. So, of course, look at that, the white. See, y'all see the glitters. You can see the shapes. Some of them are round and chunky. Look at there. Oh, look at that navy. It's round too. Oh my God. I may have to try that. There are no like chromes that I can see in this palette. And I've had this palette for a while. Look. Even that. You see the texture? It's a glitter still. And look, I swatched it on that hand. It's a glitter, and it's pretty. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty, but yeah. Move, and then Lord. Yeah, so these are chunkier ones that don't really pick up. You're gonna need a medium, which I am surprised because her glitters normally don't need anything. They normally just pick up unless they've dried out for some reason. See, maybe they've dried out because look at there. See. Yeah, so she has a glitter one. That navy is so pretty to me. And she has a glitter too. So yeah, so look, they barely come up. You gotta really like go into them. See, see that other blue? See, now it's focusing. See, but you see how chunky they are. Because when you wipe them off, they're gonna spread all over the place. Bet you that. But these colors are like, they're beautiful. Look at these colors. And this is by natural light. The sunlight is coming through the window. These colors are so pretty. Look at this. See how chunky this is? You can actually see the circles here. You can actually see the circles in here. Yep. So that's that. You know, you got your silver up here. Got your silver up here. One chunkier than the other. You got your, look at that pretty pink. And then you got that white with the, you know, the white, you see, the chunkier. And then you have this white that's smooth. I don't know what that black stuff. I hope it's not mold on there. Where the black come from? And then this one is like rainbow. And it has different shapes and sizes. This one. Yeah, and so you got a nice pink. Look at that blue. I mean, these are just that gold, that bronze, and the blues and the teals down here I keep talking about. Look at that lavender. Look at that red. That is so pretty. Yeah, and you can see the shape of some of these. And I like this color blue. It's like a baby blue, like a, almost like a teal, a light teal or baby blue type. Not like these blue greens. It is, but more light blue. You know, it's so pretty. I like that. But yeah, you need a medium and like a certain brush to actually pick these shades up, really. I mean, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it and let that be the thumbnail. So yeah, but this Jam Rock palette, let's see if I can get it open with one hand. This Jam Rock palette, that you can actually get it open with one hand.